Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can sum or add values in Microsoft Excel using the sum formula. Here I have a set of values in 3 columns and 7 rows. So first I am going to add the values in column, and then I am going to show you how you can add the values in the rows. For the first column, I'm going to select the cell where I want to show the sum value. Click on equal sign and then write sum. It will show me the list of functions or formulas that I can use to add the value. Press tab and it will add a bracket in front of the sum function. Now click on the first value, press shift and click on the last value in the column. It will select the entire column that I want to add up. Add a closing bracket to the formula and hit enter. If I click on the cell again and look at the formula bar, I can see the formula that I just wrote. In this case, the range of the sum function is from cell B2 to B8 as it's shown highlighted here. For the next column, I can repeat the same process, or I can just simply click on the previous cell and drag it over. So it will repeat the same formula but for the cells in column C. Another way to use the sum function easily is just click on the cell where you want to show the value, and in the menu bar look for this sign, that is a summation sign. Simply click on it and it will sum all the values in the cells above. Hit enter and it will show me the sum value. The same process can be repeated for the rows. The same process can be repeated in the rows where I can use the formula sum and select the range from the rows. Or I can simply select the rows and click on this symbol again. These are the two ways to simply add values in Microsoft Excel using the sum function.